Hey guys, I'm Tejas, and today I'm going to show you quite a few ways to select things inside of Photoshop. So there's a lot of different tools in Photoshop that you can use for selecting things, and the purpose of this whole video is to explain a few of those tools and sort of tell you the pros and the cons of each tool. Let's start off with the rectangular marquee tool. You can just click on the picture and then drag your mouse to create a rectangle on your image, and Photoshop will select that area of the image. Then you can do whatever you want with the image. You can create a layer mask or whatever. And now if you right click right there, you get 4 options, and the second one is elliptical marquee tool. And again, you can probably already tell what this is by the icon. You click and you drag to create an oval, and then you can mask that or do whatever else you want with the selection, perhaps add an adjustment layer or something. Or you can go to a single row thingy, whatever, which selects a single row of pixels, or the single column, which selects a single column of pixels. You can choose the lasso tool, which is basically like a freehand selection tool sort of a thing. Now let's talk about Polygonal Lasso tool, and this one's kind of interesting. So you click and you drag, and then you click again to form a vertex on your polygon, and then you drag from that vertex to some other place, click again to form another vertex, and then click at the starting point again to close it. Now the magnetic lasso tool. So this basically, you just drag this tool along the edges of a subject or any object in your photo, and once you're done you can just click on the starting point again, and there you go, you've got yourself a selection. Okay, let's talk about this magic wand tool. And what the magic wand tool would do is that it'll recognize which color you clicked on, and it'll basically select any object or any portion of your image that's that color. Then if you want to select multiple colors, you can press shift and then select multiple colors at once. Now let's talk about the quick selection tool, and I really like this tool. So basically what you do is that you click somewhere and you drag, and the tool will automatically select the edges, and it'll sort of shape your selection based on those edges. And this is really a very simple way to select subjects. I always make sure that this auto enhance feature is checked, because it just, well, as the name suggests, it just makes your selection a bit better. And now if you selected a little extra, you can actually just hold down Alt and then just run your cursor over it once again, and it'll fix that. Using the pen tool is super simple. You just click anywhere on the image, and then you just start clicking around your object, and the software will automatically join any 2 points that you clicked on, and then once you're done, you can just click on the starting point once again. And then you can go over here and select selection, and that'll create a selection, and then once again you can mask it, do whatever you want. So I hope you guys liked this video. Make sure you like and subscribe, and watch out for the next one.